What is this concept of timing the market?
Right? It's greed and fear.
Yeah, obviously you freak out कि अरे मेरे पैसे लगे हुए हैं, जब भी मार्केट नीचे जाए तभी खरीदना है.
The problem is it is very difficult to execute.
Welcome to Upstocks Originals, our brand new series. So पहले तो मैं क्लैरिफाई कर दूं कि हो सकता है आपको नाम सुन के लग रहा हो कि ये क्या फैंसी सी चीज आ गई है, कुछ बहुत ही ड्रामा होने वाला है. तो पहले ही बता दूं कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप ये सब मत एक्सपेक्ट करना. यहाँ पर हम बातें करते हैं एक्चुअली सिंपल और ओरिजिनल विद जय. आर्टिकल लिखते थे तो हमेशा मैं उसको पढ़ती थी और बहुत सारे सवाल मेरे जहन में आते थे कि ऐसा क्यों, वैसा क्यों, ये क्यों लिखा, वो क्यों लिखा, इसका मतलब क्या है एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना जैसे ही ये सारे सवालों के जवाब दिए जाएंगे करके. फर्स्टली मैं एक्चुअली लोगों के लिए और हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए सबके लिए ये जानना चाहती हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अपस्टॉक्स ओरिजिनल्स?
Right. So first, thank you for having me. And the whole point of doing this is so people can bombard us with questions. It helps everybody's journey. So the idea is, जैसे आप, as you are aware at Upstocks, we are very keen that everybody is able to up their wealth, उनकी investment journey. This is one more attempt to make your investment journey easier. So what we are doing here is giving you short, concise articles and an original insight. The idea is कि अगर आपको you need your next investment idea, you need to think, you are wondering how to think about a certain event. So hopefully we've written something there which helps you think about it in a helpful way, which helps you make an investment decision. The thing here and where we differentiate ourselves is, since these are not stock recommendations, since we don't own any stocks, we're not doing anything. It's very unbiased, clear and concise advice that we are trying to give everybody. We're not trying to sell you anything. We don't want you to buy or sell. We just want you to cut out the noise, read, learn something and do it in a quick and concise manner so it becomes easy for you as well.
So today we have decided to pick up a topic that bothers everyone. जय, और इसके बारे में हम बात भी कर चुके हैं, तो मैं जो टॉपिक है उसके बारे में भी बता दूं. That is, how can you time the market, if you can do it or not, when is the right time to invest?
Sure.
So Jay, my first question is, what is this concept of timing the market? How does it work?
So very simply put, timing the market is जब आप you try to predict कि market कहाँ जाए, right? In very simple words, that is what timing the market is all about. आपको लगता है market ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, and you try to take decisions basis that. In very simple words, that is what it is. And just going from your intro, one of the things we are trying to do with this article at Originals is, look, don't try and do this. Okay. इसमें what happens a lot is psychology plays a much bigger role here, and it's very basic, right? It's greed and fear. It's just that you are in a bull market, your friends are making money, the chai wala around the corner is making money, and they all make it look so easy. So एक definite सा FOMO है, so you want to participate. Similarly, in a bear market, the sky is falling down, you want to run away from it, and you try and you make investment decisions like this. So the idea is, don't do that. It's not in your control.
Okay, so give me your top 3 reasons why nobody should try to time the market.
Very simply put, I don't think you can. It's not in your control. So why take the headache?
This is simple logic कि market नीचे है तो खरीद दो, ऊपर है तो बेच दो. So this is the simple logic that everyone follows.
So इसमें ऐसा है, and we've shown a chart in the article, right, which is a 30-year analysis period, where if you bought on the best day, on the worst day, or if you consistently invested, you make around about the same returns, right? And the question is कि यार ऐसा क्यों है? So first caveat here is, this is a long-term article. It's a 30-year analysis. If you made the same chart over say 5 or 7 or 10 years, maybe you would see swings. But again, that is the point. Time the market बंद कीजिए. Focus on spending more time in the market. That is how you will make more returns. That is how slowly and steadily you will build meaningful wealth for yourself.
So जय, अगर हम लोग स्मॉल इन्वेस्टर्स की बात करें तो उनका बहुत सारा पैसा अगर वो मार्केट में लगाते हैं, तो उनके लिए, उनको अगर आप ये बताओगे कि मार्केट वॉलेटाइल हो रहा है फिर भी आप बने रहो, टेंशन मत लो, स्टे इन द मार्केट. spend time in the market, that thought actually is not very soothing.
I understand, of course.
Yeah, obviously you freak out कि अरे मेरे पैसे लगे हुए हैं, तुम मुझे बोल रहे हो कि टाइम देखो और रहो मार्केट में, all those things. So उस समय क्या करना चाहिए, उस समय क्या साइकोलॉजी आपको यूज करनी चाहिए?
So I'll tell you what helps me as a small investor also myself. Look, there are 2-3 things. First, अगर आपको लग रहा है times are tough, times are challenging, reduce your exposure to it, right? More than doing a lump sum, try and focus on being consistent, which is where SIPs come and SIPs help you out. The good thing with doing a SIP is you might actually catch the bottom as well because आप consistently कर रहे हो. Where this helps you is slowly and steadily आपका investment बढ़ता रहेगा. You will build a good portfolio because you are not worrying about timing the market. Risk भी कम होता है and effectively आपका journey continue होता है, journey break नहीं होता है. The second thing, and we can show a chart for Nifty here, is if you look at Nifty's long-term chart, right? Just look at the kind of returns people have made. And this is despite wars, political instability, financial scams, economic weakness. So जो भी है, the market has overcome them. And that really helps me as a person.
And the recent example is the volatility that we saw during elections.
During the elections, right? वो एक दिन the market fell, everybody was panicked, nobody in office spoke to each other that day.
Everyone was bummed out.
Right? So all of those things, and now you have the market at an all-time high. The point here is, and the third thing, just to go back to your question, is please reduce the noise around you. Have a circle of friends or advisors you trust who give you sane advice. All of these things really help in your journey. We have this chart where I can show, there is never really a good time to buy. Things are maybe too pessimistic, or sometimes you are waiting for things to change, or sometimes things are just euphoric. So again, focus on what is in your control. आपके कंट्रोल में है to try and maximize the time spent in the market, not timing the market. So focus on that and have a longer investment journey. It's much more safer and it will help you achieve your financial goals.
That's right. Actually, this reminds me when you spoke about people and cut the noise. When I started my investment journey, जो मुझे एक मेरे colleague ने investment advice, the first advice that I received regarding my investment was about timing the market. That advice said कि भाई जब भी market नीचे जाए तभी खरीदना है, उससे पहले नहीं खरीदना है. And I heard and I knew no better, so I was like, okay, cool. But now, obviously, that hasn't proved right.
No, but the thing there is, see, it is sage advice, no question there, right? Buy low, sell high is. अगर आप finance की student हो, it is the first advice given to you.
And it sounds logical too.
It is very logical, very commonsensical. The problem is, it is very difficult to execute, right? And it goes back to the fear and greed. When the market is down, everyone is panicked. It takes a lot of guts, conviction to stand out and then say, no, right now is a good time to invest. When the market is euphoric to say, nahi, main nahi kharidunga, let the chai wala make the money, but I will wait back for the right time. It's not something people are able to do. So good advice, very difficult to execute.
Implement. Actually, here is an admission. वो advice सुनने के बाद मैंने कुछ दिन वो follow करने की भी कोशिश की, और मैं हमेशा चेक करती थी कि आज मार्केट ऊपर है, आज नहीं, आज मार्केट ऊपर है, आज नहीं, ऐसे करके बहुत दिन बीते रहे, इसलिए कि ऐसे तो मैं वेट ही करते रह जाऊंगी.
हाँ, so the market can definitely remain irrational longer than your sanity or your solvency. So please, why try and do things that are not in your control, right? So that is the whole thing.
Yeah, makes sense. Thank you, Jay, for speaking
My
to
pleasure.
us and touching on this very, very important topic जो कि सभी को जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So the summary is that you should not try to control those things which are not in your control. Basically, market अपने हिसाब से ही चलेगा. What you can control is how you invest, how much time you spend in the market, how much discipline you show in your investment journey. So thank you for watching this episode. अगर आपको Upstox Solutions के और भी articles पढ़ने हैं, और भी ज़्यादा चीजें सीखनी है, समझनी है, तो description check कीजिए, वहाँ पे हमने link दी हुई है. And thank you so much, and wait for our next episode.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.